Hello and a wonderful good morning from the middle of Malaysia.
We're in a kampung. It's one of the most popular places to come and grab food.
But
for the locals here.
how are we in a kampung when there's like big buildings and skyscrapers over there? And here, just the two of us with small buildings.
Because this is a kampung right in the heart and the soul of KL, of Kuala Lumpur.
Oh, that's so nice. Kampung Baru, I think it's called, right?
It's called Kampung Baru, and it features a lot of stalls with a lot of food. A lot of people come here and have their breakfast, lunch, dinner at the very famous and popular food locations here in Kampung Baru.
Perfect, because I'm hungry as a racehorse and it's time for us to have the perfect breakfast in Kampung Baru. But first, let's find a place to eat, because there's a lot of eateries around here and I don't know which one to choose. I think, Gigi, we should go with the one with the most people.
We can go with the one with the most people, that's true.
Yes.
A very interesting part about this Kampung Baru, of course, kampung means like a village, like a community. It's not like, it's actually where people live. It's not only a street food place, it's also a place where people live. Like they park their cars here, they have schools, they have buildings, houses all over the place, surrounded by skyscrapers.
That's
There's
so cool.
a metro station that takes you all the way here, and now we're gonna reach the main street food.
Which is the food place. Okay, Gigi, let's go. The more people, the better the food. Let's go and get some breakfast. Okay, I think this is it. This is the most busiest place over here. Oh, that's so cool. They have a reindeer system. What are we gonna get, Gigi?
I don't know.
I think last time we had breakfast early in the morning was nasi lemak. Look at all the people. All of them are here at 8:30 in the morning looking for the same thing that we are looking for, which is nasi lemak, the best breakfast you can have here in Johor Bahru. So it's only fitting for me to have nasi lemak for breakfast, because last time in Johor it was the best breakfast ever. So let's see. What do you think?
Yeah, let's see what they have here.
They have a lot of stuff.
They have a lot of stuff. Making all the food there. Oh wow, look at the sound. That's the sound. This is nasi lemak.
Yeah. Okay, if it looks like this, I want it. Full nasi lemak.
You wanna eat? Which one? This chicken. Chicken, okay. Which
This one is
potato with beef.
okay. Chicken.
Okay.
Also
One
potato.
beef.
Yes, also potato.
This
Chicken. Yes.
wings.
Very good.
Enough?
Enough.
Okay.
Thank you.
One for me, chicken.
Can I have a little bit more ikan bilis, please?
Enough?
Itu saya punya. Tak mau ayam. Ayam rendang.
Daging rendang.
Ayam rendang.
Ayam rendang. Ayam rendang. Apa ni boleh ni? Tuangnya. Okay. Enough?
Thank you. Terima kasih. Yes. Gigi, what do you want to drink? Kopi or coffee, kopi ice?
Okay, kopi ice. Because we Malay lah.
Only this, Gigi. You need more. Let's get some potato. Gigi, there's no such thing. Get some potato.
Diet. 27, 50 cents.
How old is this place?
59 years.
59 years.
Thank you.
Thank you, terima kasih.
Sama-sama.
Let's go to the table.
Wow, guys.
Holy mother of food, Gigi. I have a lot here in my plate. And you have so little.
I have rice, I have chicken, I
What happened, Gigi?
can't believe it.
This is a big healthy breakfast. This is how a man's supposed to eat before going to the field and do the dirty work on the field.
And yes, like to plant rice and feed the stock, the livestock.
Yes, and the chickens and the sheep and everything. Yes, this is a perfect farmer's breakfast. But then about you, you have like a dainty breakfast.
Well, I'll go back to my hotel right soon after, so I'm not going in any field, so I think that's...
Ay, Gigi. Okay, I can tell you that around here it's very interesting vibe. I mean, from outside you don't tell much about this place, but from the inside it looks very modern in a way. And industrial, and the people are busy, and they do everything. They prepare the food, they prepare the juice, the drinks, and they are like busy bees swarming around and keeping all the people fed and entertained. So, without further ado,
Wanjo nasi lemak. Let's see if
let's go and see how the food is at. I think it's customary, if you want to have a good experience, to try a bit of everything. So you should get a piece of chicken, some rice, some potato, a cucumber on top, and some ikan bilis sprinkled from above. And now this is a perfect bite of your nasi lemak breakfast. Let's see. Holy man of Jesus. That's a lot of food, but it's so good. Oh man, the chicken is the best chicken ever. I thought I had the best chicken ever before, but no, this is literally the best chicken ever. It's so soft, it's so juicy, including the neck. I think I'm in love. The best chicken, literally. And together with the coconutty rice and the tanginess of the sambal, which is a bit on the sweet side. Perfect, Gigi. Perfect. And egg and potatoes. Everything you want in one plate. I mean, I don't know if you can fit more into this plate than I already have.
I think this is our first time when I'm trying nasi lemak in KL. First one was in Johor Bahru a while ago. That was pretty good. That was so tasty. One thing I noticed at the first one, I don't have peanuts here, but I think maybe the taste is gonna overcompensate for that. I don't know. Let's see if I can fit everything in a plate. A little bit of the sambal.
A little bit of sambal in my life.
A little bit of
Fishy fish in my life.
and okay, egg.
A little bit of egg of what I need.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, and go. It is good. I love the chicken. I think you are right. The chicken is really good.
The chicken is the best, Gigi.
And the sambal, oh, it's sweet and spicy. I love it. I could get used to eating this every day.
In the morning. But if we eat every day in the morning this humongous piece of food, then we're gonna become big and healthy, Gigi.
Yes, but one thing, guys, I hope you realize that since the last time we came to Malaysia, we made some improvements. And this is...
Yes, we're eating with a spoon now. Yes, that's so funny. Anyway, nothing better than to follow the nasi lemak as a nice cup of coffee. So, cheers, Gigi. Kopi o kosong.
How much did you pay for all of it?
26.
26 for the drinks and the nasi lemak.
Yes. Considering the fact that I have a huge humongous plate, totally worth it. Holy schnitzels, Gigi. I had a lot of food. I think I literally had half a chicken. Ay, Gigi. Remember last time when we had it under the bridge? I wanted to fall back asleep after this big healthy breakfast. Same thing here. Even though I drank like a huge cup of coffee. Still I'm sleepy. I don't know how people can wake up early in the morning at 6 o'clock to go and munch one of these big plates of humongous nasi lemak, but heads up to them. Thank you, very good food, man. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Okay, Gigi, we have the seal of approval. Very good place.
Anjo, Kampung Baru.
Hey, let's go.
Terima kasih. Thank you.
Have a nice day.
You too.
Gigi, I met a nice elderly looking person, and he told me that this is world famous, this nasi lemak place. So perfect way to start the day here in Kampung Baru. I don't think it can be a better way, right?
True. Like the best world famous nasi lemak here.
Yes. I had no idea it was world famous. I just knew that there was a lot of people, and usually a lot of people means very good food.
Yes.
Okay, that being said, thank you so much for watching. It has been a wonderful breakfast in the best warung ever. See you in the next one, guys. Bye bye. Don't forget to share, like, subscribe.